Cookie ingredients: 2 amp, 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 cup butter, softened, 1 amp, half cups white sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Stir together flour, baking soda, and baking powder. Step 3. Cream together the butter and sugar until smooth. Step 4. Beat in egg and vanilla. Step 5. Gradually blend in the dry ingredients. Step 6. Roll rounded dough into balls and place onto ungreased cookie sheets. Step 7. Bake 8 to 10 minutes in the preheated oven. Step 8. Set aside to cool on wire racks. Happy baking!